Okay, it's recording.
But I don't want to die. But I don't want to die. Do it. Do it. Okay.
It's so fun.
Gotta obliterate me like that.
Oh my god.
Is that an airdrop?
I I honestly don't know.
It's an airdrop.
Where?
Right there. Right where I'm facing, you can see it falling down. It's at like Firewatch.
Um, it's very far away though.
Kinda far away.
I still